Ever booked a massage, a therapy session, a hair appointment, or even a quick chat with a consultant online and thought, wow, that was easy? Chances are, behind that seamless booking experience lies a powerful tool working quietly in the background. Today, we're diving deep into that tool, specifically Acuity Scheduling, and tackling a question that many users and those considering it often ponder. Just how many people are actually using Acuity Scheduling? It's a valid question, isn't it? In a sea of scheduling software, understanding the scale and reach of a platform like Acuity can offer valuable insights. It speaks to its reliability, its community, and ultimately, its potential to streamline your own booking processes. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of user numbers, let's paint a picture of why Acuity Scheduling has become such a popular choice. Imagine you're a small business owner, juggling client appointments, marketing, and actually delivering your services. The last thing you need is the headache of endless back-and-forth emails and missed calls trying to nail down a time that works for everyone. Acuity steps in as your digital assistant, allowing clients to view your availability in real time, book appointments themselves, pay upfront if needed, and even receive automated reminders. It's a game changer for efficiency and professionalism. Think about the sheer diversity of businesses that rely on scheduling software. We're talking about solopreneurs offering coaching sessions, bustling salons managing multiple stylists, healthcare professionals coordinating patient visits, fitness studios packing their classes, and even large organizations streamlining internal meeting bookings. The needs are varied, but the core problem, efficient time management and appointment booking, remains constant. Acuity has positioned itself as a versatile solution catering to this wide spectrum. Its customizable appointment types, integration capabilities with other essential business tools like payment processors and calendar apps, and its user-friendly interface have undoubtedly contributed to its widespread adoption. But getting a precise, real-time figure on the exact number of Acuity users is a bit like trying to count all the grains of sand on a beach. The company itself doesn't publicly release these exact numbers, and for good reason. It's a competitive landscape, and such data could be strategically valuable to competitors. However, we can approach this question from a few different angles, piecing together clues and making informed estimations based on available information. One way to gauge Acuity's popularity is by looking at its presence and activity online. Consider the number of integrations it boasts with other popular platforms. Acuity seamlessly connects with tools like Zoom for video conferencing, Stripe and PayPal for payment processing, Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar for synchronization, and various marketing automation platforms. The sheer volume and quality of these integrations suggest a significant user base demanding these connections. These integrations aren't built for platforms with a handful of users. They signify a substantial and active community. Another indicator lies in the online discussions and communities surrounding Acuity. A quick search reveals numerous forums, social media groups, and online tutorials dedicated to using and troubleshooting Acuity Scheduling. The level of engagement and the sheer volume of content being created by users point towards a large and active community. People don't invest their time in creating resources for platforms with limited adoption. Think about the reviews and testimonials available across various software review platforms. While individual reviews don't give us a total user count, the sheer number of reviews and the consistently high ratings Acuity often receive speak to a broad base of satisfied customers. These platforms serve as a collective voice, and a strong positive sentiment across a large number of reviews suggests a significant user presence. Furthermore, consider the evolution of the platform itself. Acuity has consistently added new features and improvements over the years, responding to user feedback and adapting to the changing needs of the market. This continuous development and investment in the platform are indicative of a healthy and growing user base that justifies ongoing innovation. Companies don't pour resources into platforms with stagnant or declining user numbers. While we can't pinpoint an exact figure, we can confidently say that Acuity Scheduling caters to a substantial number of individuals and businesses globally. Its widespread integrations, active online community, positive user reviews, and continuous development all point towards a platform with a significant and thriving user base. Instead of focusing on the precise number, perhaps a more valuable perspective is to understand why so many people choose Acuity. It boils down to the core benefits it offers. Efficiency. Automating the booking process saves time and reduces administrative overhead. Professionalism. Offering a seamless online booking experience enhances a business's image. Accessibility. Clients can book appointments anytime, anywhere, on any device. Reduced no-shows. Automated reminders help minimize missed appointments. Payment processing. Integrating payments streamlines the financial aspect of bookings. Data management. Centralizing appointment information makes it easier to manage schedules and client details. These benefits resonate across various industries and business sizes, contributing to Acuity's widespread appeal. Whether you're a solo practitioner looking to simplify your appointment management or a larger team needing a robust scheduling solution, Acuity offers a compelling set of features. So, while the exact number of users remains a closely guarded secret, the evidence strongly suggests that Acuity Scheduling is a widely adopted and trusted platform by a significant number of individuals and businesses worldwide. Its robust features, seamless integrations, and positive user sentiment solidify its position as a leading player in the scheduling software market. The sheer volume of online activity and the platform's continuous growth further underscore its substantial reach. Ultimately, the exact number might be elusive, but the impact and the widespread use of Acuity Scheduling are undeniable. It's a testament to its effectiveness in solving a fundamental need for businesses across countless industries. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.